What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. If you're subscribed, in this video we're going to be doing another what's in the box. We got a Diamondback AR-10 or DB-10. So we're just going to jump right into it. So opening up the box, it's just a generic cardboard box. You got your standard little foam inserts and whatnot. You got your gun lock. It comes standard with any gun that you buy, pretty much. I don't think I've bought a gun and it not have that lock. So then you got the owner's manual. It does come with one 20-round mag. So that's good, I guess. You can find, I think I got a 25 rounder for, I think it was like $25 plus tax or something. So mags you can find pretty easy. And then the gun itself, here's the gun itself. It's going to be the oxidized black, I'm pretty sure, not anodized, oxidized. You do got your regular Picatinny rail up here for a front sight if you wish to, or you have your M-locks on the rest of the rail itself. It is a free floating rail. You have, it's just a standard muzzle brake right there. The Diamondback logo right there. And then also you have the 308 Win on the dust cover for a 308 Win mag. And then you have the Diamondback logo on the bolt itself. You do have the Magpul stock and then foregrip as well. Also, the actual mag is a P-mag also. You do have the forward assist, pretty much standard for any AR. For those of you who don't know, if you're just getting into guns itself, the difference between the AR-10, which is what this one is, and the AR-15 is going to be the caliber. So the AR-15 takes a 5.56 or 2.23. They're pretty much identical rounds. So here's a 5.56 that I have for my AR-15. And then the AR-10 is going to take a 7.62 by 59. At least that's what this one takes. And here's the, or 308. So here's the size comparison between the two. So as you can see, the AR-10 takes a much bigger round. Obviously, the recoil is going to be a little bit more than the AR-15 because of the round size difference. That's almost half an inch longer for the total length of the cartridge and round and everything. So that's going to do it for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I know it's a little quick video, but it's an AR platform. There's really not much difference between the AR-15 and the AR-10. The only big difference is going to be the caliber size, which you see right there. If you have any questions, if I messed up on anything that y'all noticed, please leave a comment down below. I see all the comments. Even if I don't respond to them, I still see them and I still take notes on what y'all say. So that being said, hit the subscribe button also, the bell notifications if you like gun videos like these, and I will see y'all next week.